Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Stoichiometric calculations. In this video, I will explain one example regarding limiting reactant. First is the question. 1.2 grams of magnesium is reacted with a solution containing 2.74 grams of HCl, which is limiting reagent. This is balanced chemical equation for the reaction. According to the equation, magnesium reacts with HCl to give magnesium chloride and hydrogen. In the question, you are told that reaction was started with 1.2 grams of magnesium and 2.74 grams of HCl, and you are asked to identify the limiting reagent. According to definition, the reactant that produces least number of moles of the product is the limiting reactant. So in order to identify the limiting reactant, we must calculate the number of moles of the product that can be produced by 1.2 grams of magnesium and 2.74 grams of HCl, the given quantities of the reactant. At the end of the calculation, we will be able to identify the reactant that is producing least number of moles of the product and hence the limiting reactant. In the question, you can see the given quantities are in terms of gram or mass, and we are going to calculate the number of moles of the product. So first we will convert these quantities into mole. For any conversion of gram into mole or mole into gram, we must know the molecular mass of the compound. In this case, first reactant is magnesium. It is in atomic form. We will use atomic mass of magnesium, which is 24. Second reactant is HCl or hydrochloric acid. We will calculate molecular mass of HCl. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and of chlorine is 35.5. When we add these numbers, we will get the molecular mass of HCl, which is 36.5. Now we can convert these quantities into moles. First we will calculate the number of moles that are present in 1.2 grams of magnesium. For this calculation, we will make two columns, one for the moles of magnesium and other for the mass of magnesium. In the first column, we will write 1, and in the second column, we will write 24, the atomic mass of magnesium. It means that 1 mole of magnesium is equal to 24 grams of magnesium. For the second line, we will pick the values from the data. Moles of magnesium are unknown, so we will write X in the first column, and in the second column we will write the given quantity of magnesium, which is 1.2. So we will write 1.2 in the second column. We can find the value of X by cross multiplication. We will multiply 1 with 1.2 and X with 24, and we will put the sign of is equal to in between. We will end up with this mathematical equation. We can find the value of X by dividing this factor with 24. Answer is 0.05. Likewise, we will calculate the moles of HCl. Method is same. We will make two columns, one for the moles of HCl and other for the mass of HCl. In the first column, we will write 1, and in the second column, we will write molecular mass of HCl, which is 36.5. Now for the second line, we will pick the values from the data. Moles of HCl are unknown. We will write X in the first column, and the given quantity of HCl is 2.74 grams, so we will write 2.74 in the second column. We can find the value of X by cross multiplication. We will multiply X with 36.5 and 1 with 2.74, and we will put the sign of is equal to in between. We can find the value of X by dividing this factor with 36.5. Answer is 0.075. Now we will answer to the question, which reactant will produce least number of moles of the product. So we will calculate the number of moles of the product that can be produced by the given quantities of the reactants magnesium and hydrochloric acid. First we will calculate for magnesium. So we will prepare data for the magnesium, and for the product you can choose between the two. I am taking magnesium chloride. In the balanced chemical equation, you can see that there is no large number or coefficient with magnesium, so it is equal to 1 mole. For magnesium chloride there is no coefficient, so it is also equal to 1 mole. The given quantity of magnesium is 0.05 mole. From the balanced chemical equation you can see that 1 mole of magnesium will produce 1 mole of magnesium chloride. It means that 0.05 moles of magnesium will produce 0.05 moles of magnesium chloride. Now we will calculate the number of moles of the product or magnesium chloride that can be produced by the given quantity of HCl. We will prepare data for the HCl and magnesium chloride. In the balanced chemical equation, the coefficient of HCl is 2, so it means it is equal to 2 moles. For magnesium chloride there is no coefficient, so it is equal to 1 mole. The given quantity of HCl is 0.075 moles and the number of moles of magnesium chloride are unknown, so we will write X. Now we can find the value of X by cross multiplication. We will multiply X with 2 and 0.075 with 1, and we will put the sign of is equal to in between. Now we can solve this mathematical equation for the value of X. Value of X will be equal to 0.0375 moles. Now we will compare the number of moles of magnesium chloride that can be produced by the given quantity of magnesium and by the given quantity of HCl. From the given quantity of magnesium, from the given quantity of magnesium, the 0.05 moles of magnesium chloride can be produced, while from the given quantities of HCl, 0.0375 moles of magnesium chloride can be produced. By comparing these numbers, you can find that 0.0375 is a smaller number than 0.05. It means that HCl is producing less number of moles of product, so it is limiting reactant. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.